you are trying to predict, and that's why you find it difficult. But why predict? Because you're trying to cover a huge loss. Some of you are losing so much money that you need a 20-point move on the market in order to recover. You realize how unrealistic that is, isn't it? And that's why you're always losing money. But if you know how to play the game well, right? You're looking for small wins. You know how to be extracting profits with a high probability of guarantee, right? You have good risk to rewards ratio. Then you slowly clock your wins, and then you can recover back your losses slowly over time, gradually. And by the time you recover your losses, you would have already developed the skill to be consistently making money for the rest of your life. So you have to know your game plan, right? Some of you enter the game just wanting to I don't know what you're trying to do, right? You just want to enter the game and just spray and pray. Is that what you're trying to do? But you don't have unlimited ammo. You're just going to dry up yourself. You're just going to lose the game. Some of you lose the game in the first 10 minutes of the trading day. I've seen that, right? Within the first half an hour on Monday, you're out of ammo. Play the game wisely, right? We have a game plan. Come, join my game plan. I'm sharing with you my game plan now, and you know exactly what you need to do from there, right? So if you don't have a plan, you're losing money. This is the game plan, right? Join us, get the game and get the game going. So quite straightforward for a short week, yes. Now you know all the points that you have to worry about. Now, if you need more information and context, don't forget to check out all the live streams daily, because it's not outdated information, right? It's a technique, right? It's a skill. So when you watch them over time, you will be able to pick up on it, right? You will be able to learn a little bit with every video, and from there you will understand a little bit better. So all the videos are still relevant, and I want you to be watching them and understanding my thought process from day to day and how to prepare accordingly. When, for example, if the market makes a move here, you know how to be reacting. A, B, C, D, E. If the market moves here, now, how do we respond? A, B, C, D, E. How do we prepare accordingly, right? And the best part, you don't need A, B, C, D, E. You probably only need A, B, or maybe A, B, C. It's that easy, right? I think it's so much easier than sports here.